Namaste, Kulumka, dear citizens of Tripura, my dear Tiprasa brothers and sisters. This is James Debbarma, speaking not as the General Secretary of Youth Tipra Federations, not as a political leader, but as a genuine Tiprasa, as a son of this soil, whose heart is burning with pain. Recently, a man named Gauranga Rudropal, leaders of Amra Bengali organizations, shamelessly declared that Agartala belongs to Amra Bengali, that Telimura belongs to Amra Bengali, that Kanchanpur belongs to Amra Bengali, and his supporters also shout back the same thing. These words are not just insults. They are open attacks on our very existence and to the Tiprasa. And when His Highness Maharaj stood at Jantar Mantar to speak for his people, to give voice to our pain, suddenly leaders from BJP, our leaders from Congress, our leaders from CPIM and others rushed to oppose him. Yet, when Gauranga Rudropal made those provocative statements against us, against our people, not a single leader raised their voice. When Maharaj spoke for Tiprasa's dignity, they all stood against him. But let me be very clear. When Maharaj speaks about the rights of his people, it does not mean taking away the rights of others. In fact, history itself is proof of the generosity and secular values of our Maharajas. Our Maharajas were always secular and just. They built mandirs for Hindus, masjids for Muslims, and churches for Christians. They wanted unity, not divisions. During the Noakhali riots, our Maharajas gave land and protections. During the Bangladesh Liberation War, when Hindu minorities were fleeing persecutions in East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, our Maharajas opened Tiprasa's doors, Tripura's doors, gave them land, gave them shelters, and saved their lives. That is our history. That is our legacy. And yet today, people like Gauranga Rudropal wants to divide us, insults us, and deny us dignity in our own land. This is the bitter truth. There are two laws in Tripura. When Gauranga Rudropal provokes us, no action is taken. But when a Tiprasa dares to speak, the system immediately tries to silence him. Is this the Prime Minister? Is this the Indian that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi envisions? When he says Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, within one state, two different laws. One standard for Gauranga Rudropal and another for the sons of the soils. The Tiprasa, this is injustice. This is injustice. And also this is totally betrayal. And let us not forget, when Telangana separated from Andhra Pradesh, leaders from every political party, be it from Congress, be it from BJP, be it from regional parties, rose above party lines and stood together for their people. If they can unite, why can't we Tiprasa also unite as one voice for our land, for our rights, for our survival? Now to our own Tiprasa leaders, I, James Debbarma, would like to ask few questions to you. Our MDCs, our executive members, our MLAs, our ministers, I want to say to you this thing. You may belong to BJP political party, CPIM or Congress. But remember, it was Tiprasa vote that gave you power. It is our people who put you in the chairs you sit in today. And when Tiprasas are being humiliated by people like Gorangarudropal, you choose to remain silent. Yes, you choose to remain silent. That silence is totally betrayal. Yes, sir, that silence is really betrayal. Yes. Brothers and sisters, my heart says this. The time has come to rise, not as party workers, not as members of organizations, but as one proud Tiprasa people. Let us gather in a mammoth, huge rally. Let us raise our voices together. Let us show the world that we are Tiprasa, standing united, carrying the Indian national flag, setting aside political flags, because we are Indians, but we are also Tiprasa, a proud Tiprasa, and we will never be ashamed of our identity. If we remain divided, we will be silent forever. But if we unite, no power on earth can defeat us. This is our moment. This is our time. Let us rise together as one Tiprasa. Jai Tiprasa, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Bubagra. Blai Blaino Hambai. Thank you so much.